here?
All present.
Okay, good, perfect. Let's start our lesson. At first, look at the blackboard. So, check out your homework. Open your notebooks and check your homework. Start. Who wants to answer? So, stand up. The first question is?
Stay awake and look out for danger. It is keep watch.
Okay, let's check. Keep watch. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. The next one. Your group, please.
Can I
Okay. Fatima.
a short experience of something different. It is a taste of.
Okay, let's check. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. The next one. Quickly, who wants else? Malika, stand up.
A very good imitation and exotic.
The third one is?
Yes.
The next is problem. Yes, you are right. And the last one is? Who wants? Yes.
This is the way you define or think. This is
Check. Adjust. Yes. It was adjust. Yes. Okay, next. So, at first, I will divide you into two groups, and you should take one sticker. Okay, all of you come here, come to the blackboard, and take one sticker one by one. For example, Instagram group is here, and TikTok group is there. I will show you a video, and just guess what scene is it today. There are some sentences.
I just finished dinner. Dad, I've already got the post. Have you tidied your room yet? No, I haven't done it yet.
So, just think, what scene is it today? How do you think?
Present.
Present perfect. Yes, you are right. What we're going to learn in this lesson, we will learn the meaning of just, already, and yet, and differentiate. And we will learn how to make sentence by using adverbs. And we will practice our speaking and listening skills. So, open your notebook and write down the days and the scene. Okay, at first, let's start with present perfect tense. What is it? Present perfect. How do you think?
Present perfect.
When do you use
When
it?
we do something. When we do something for.
In this case, as you see, we use have with pronouns. With have we use pronouns I, you, we, they, and word her. Yes. And with he, she, it, we use has and
word she. Irregular verbs has three forms. They are not right words because they
yes.
change.
We should these words from the table. Yes. Okay, we just remember it. And regular words we just add what?
Ed.
Yes, we just add ed at the end of the word. There are 4 adverbs with present perfect for today. There are just, yet, already, still. Just for example, it means short time ago.
Yes.
And for example, we have just started our presentation, yes? There are some stickers in Google. You should take one of them and put the words. You should charge your battery of your book, okay? So, one by one, who wants? Azima and Azima. Take one stick. Read please your sentence.
Amelia has already been to Australia.
Yes, you're right. Amelia has been already to Australia. And you can see this sentence at the screen. Yes, you're right. Sit down. And next.
I've just done it.
I have just done it. Yes, you are right. One by one. Quickly. Come to the blackboard and take one sticker. From your group, come.
How you get the dog?
How do you get the dog? In this case, we use which words? No. At the end of the sentence.
And yet it.
Yes. Yes, sit down please. Next.
Have you read that book?
Yes, yes, you are right. Next. Who wants? One stick or your battery. Give you a sheet of paper. Here, a story about Danny. Yes. And you should read, listen, and answer the questions. So let's watch at first a video. Look at the screen and watch.
It's Shonda's birthday. Tony is a studious boy.
Answers. On your notebook. And you should write down the answers on your notebook and answer one by one, okay? Let's answer the question. The first question is? Your answer?
The first one is what is that birthday? Donnie's birthday?
Why do you think Grandma gave Donnie a storybook? His grandma just wants to get started reading.
Both of you were excellent and you had good job. You should just put your answer. If you like our lesson, you can put here, or if you want to say something, and save it and share with your friends.
I like this lesson.
Page number 33 and take your homework. Exercise number 2. Look at the chart and complete the sentence using still, yet, already, and just. Do you like our lesson?
Yes.
Okay. So, students, let's finish our lesson. It's time to finish. What about your marks? I put both of you excellent marks. You were so active during the lesson. Thank you so much. I think it's not the end of